guys are going to church today, being the last Sunday. Hope you guys are going to pray very, very well, because God needs to answer our prayer. We need to make it. We need to be happy. We need to be joyful. So I pray God answers the prayers. I pray all your heart's desires should be granted. All right, on today's agenda, I'll be making soup and stew. I was supposed to do that yesterday, but my sister came back from my mom's place very, very late. I had to boil the tomatoes, blend them, and boil the meat. So today I will just go straight into cooking. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Talk to you guys later. Just enjoy the rest of the video. Thinking of going to make my hair today, but I'm not sure which hair I should make. I'm thinking of making box braid because it's been long I did that, and I'm also contemplating on making cornrows, which is very simple. With cornrows, it's easier for me to lose, but with box braid, it will take a very long time for me to lose it. So I'm still thinking. And hair extension right now, it costs a whole lot of money. It's very, very expensive, but I'll think about it. Maybe I will just risk it. I need to look good. I need to change my looks. Nothing is wrong with you. It's just that you're tired and you need to rest. That's just it. You're perfectly fine.
But you didn't give a shit about me. I called you many times.
When?
Today.
Today you called me. I did not see your missed call.
I called you many times.
I didn't know.
You will get into my hands.
What will you do?
I will not even talk.
What are you going to do?
I will just remove the packet full of little chicken meat. You don't love at all.
I love 100%.
No. You just kiss because very soon you might get a positive decision.
Of course, yes.
Yes.
Of course, yes. Of course, yes.
The love is not here at all.
Uh-huh. So today is Monday, and today I will be going to make my hair. I don't want to postpone it. No, I want to make it today. It has to be today. So I have decided to go with Bob Marley since it's been long I did that. I just want something different, not all back DD all the time. No, I don't want that. Your girl does not want that. I want to look beautiful for my husband, so that whenever he calls, it will be like, ooh, wife, what is that on your hair? I love what you did on your hair. He's definitely going to say that he loves my hair, so I just want this look for him. I want to look beautiful. Even if we are at distance, I still need to look beautiful for my husband. That man deserves everything. It deserves a beautiful wife. It deserves a beautiful wife. So I need to do this for him. I need him to see how beautiful I am. Even with the distance, I am still looking this beautiful. Today is Wednesday, and today I am finally going to make my hair. Guys, I told you I'll be making my hair on Monday. I went on Monday, she was busy. I went on Tuesday, she was busy. I was like, you don't want me to make my hair again? She was like, she will make it for me today, I should not worry. I told her if I should send you one in your store today, that person is going to stand up for me to sit, because I've tried 2 days and you've not made my hair. She was laughing. It's like it's going to rain today again. It fell yesterday and it's like it's going to rain today. The weather is so cloudy, so I need to leave right now. I will probably check on with you guys later. All right, so yeah. So what is my lovely husband doing?
I'm walking, and I actually need to walk. You told that you want to stay there, you're definitely not comfortable.
When did I say that?
Last year. I'm really busy, bro. I can't talk to you, especially in the morning. It's better to talk in the evening, then I'm dead.
Are you seeing my face?
Yes, you're a beautiful chick.
Are you seeing my face?
You're beautiful.
Does this face looks like a smiling face to you?
This face is pretty sweet, but the face wants to talk. Maybe I will even cut my hair.
It's good. Finally. Why does your beard grow so fast?
Because the chick doesn't. Yes. That's the problem.
No, that's not the problem. It cannot be the problem.
It is a problem. And we can talk in here and I'm dead. I will lie in the bed and talk. And I need to walk. Call you around 9. My time. It's 8 your time, okay?
Хорошо.
So,
Love you. I just finished talking to my husband, and the way he was complimenting my hair was so amazing. I knew he was gonna like my hair. I knew he was gonna like it. He was so surprised to see me with this kind of hair. It's been long. I did braids in his presence, so that was back then in Russia. And yeah, my parents are coming in from the village today. They've been in Delta State for 3 weeks now, I think, and they're on their way back to Lagos. Don't worry, I've prepared something for them and they're really going to enjoy it. I don't really have much to do this morning. Just sit, relax, and look for food to eat. Guys, this hair I use one big extension, one small extension and a half. Big extension, she said 6,000. Small one is 4,500. I had to beg for 5,500 for the big one. I want to start reading this one. They're looking at for both. I read the choice, and the choice is very, 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 very interesting. Oh my, that novel is sweet. Novel is very, very interesting, and this one has 434 pages. That one has 317 pages. So let's see how it's gonna go. I'll probably check on with you guys later. guys, how you guys doing? Today is Wednesday. I am fully dressed. I like my look, simple, beautiful and classic. Actually, I am going to the bank to do some stuff, to get some money and a whole lot of things. This is currently after 1. I was too lazy to get up from the bed, guys. I was so lazy. My husband had to call me if I have collected the money. I said no, and he was like, why are you so lazy? You're a lazy chick. So I need to be on my way now, and I'll be buying a few things on my way back. Not too many because I need to do monthly stock up. Yeah, I will probably check on you guys when I am back or tomorrow. Which way, I don't know yet. So yeah, I need to go now. See you guys. I'm late, very late, before the bank will close on me. So let me hurry. Okay, see you guys. Hi guys, how you all doing? I want to show you guys the skincare product I bought. These are all skincare products. Like my skincare are all gone and I decided to buy new ones. So let me show you. Remember I told you guys about my Bonner Boys face pod that got lost in the village. So I got another one. This costs 65,000 naira. Yeah, so this is it. And I bought this Dr. Rachel. I bought this one. It says it's for collagen, elasticity, firming. So this is it. Then I bought Anwa 77% toner. I also bought Beauty of Johnson. What's it? I also bought vitamin C. And my oil. I bought Johnson baby oil. I bought it at the rate of 10,000. Yeah, I bought the small one for 10,000. Johnson baby is not expensive, guys. I also bought vitamin C, Dr. Rachel. This one is brightening and anti-aging essence toner. So this is it. I bought Dr. Rachel SPF 60. This one. And I bought miso snail motion 88 plus pesticide. And I got my roll on. Real men. Yeah. Here comes the end of this long vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it so far. I took my time to make this vlog. Please continue to watch my video, continue to subscribe if you haven't, continue to like, continue to share. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate, and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye guys. Love you.